Hi, this is Cohen with Impeccabilities powered by Kaizink, and today I'm going to show you how to order outsourced DTF. So this is the order here that we want to be ordering it from. So we're going to open CB orders and find that order number. We're going to go into the work files to find the latest revision. So this was the approved ones from the customer. So we're going to open those in Illustrator so that we can grab our files to create our gang sheet for the vendor. So we're going to do new and just create a new file right here. We're going to make it 22 inches wide, and that's always the width that this vendor's DTF gang sheets are going to be at, and then the length will vary. So these are the options that we have for the length on it. So we want to get our art in here, see how long it is, and then we'll find the closest length for it. So we're going to pull these in. And then we'll grab the white one. So we'll line these up with each other just so that when we cut our lines, it'll be easier to go straight through. And I'm just going to group them together with Control G because we're going to have equal amounts of copies of these. If there's unequal, you can just move them around as they fit best. You want to make sure you're always leaving straight lines for us to be able to cut through. Because if you gang stuff up in these center pieces here, now we've got to kind of cut around everything, and that makes it a little harder on production. So we're going to go back to our order and check our quantities. So we require 30 of each colorway. So I'm going to take this, I'm going to drag it down so it's below the other one. And now we've got two sets. So now you can just do Control D on your keyboard, and that will duplicate the last action you did. So we want 15 rows of these. So you can see we went off the bottom of the artboard there, but that's okay because we can take it and just center it up so that we're on the screen here. And now we're going to change our artboard to fit the height. So we'll go up above the top and down below the bottom. And then we're going to find the closest height to this. So 156 is an option. So we're going to do that, and we're going to check if we're still able to fit this in there. So it looks like 156 fits perfectly. So actually, to correct my counts on this, there's 30 of each colorway, which means we'll want 30 sets. So I've got 15 here. So we will order this in 2 pieces because it's going to be too long to do all 30 together in one file. So now that we've got this set up here, we're going to go to Artboards, and we're going to name it with the order number. I'm going to put gang so that we know this is a gang file for it, and it's 22 inches by 156, and that'll make it easier when you're purchasing because you know what size you're pairing it up with. And then the customer. So now we'll export this file. You're going to export it for screens, which I have rebound to F1, but I believe it's Windows Shift E is the regular key binding for that. Then we're going to set it up for a PNG. We're going to do 300 pixels per inch. We're going to export this into the production folder for that same order. And it may take a little while to export because of how large this file is. And sometimes you may be setting up multiple rows in here if your DTF is larger than the space allotted. In this case, if there were more of these, we could just have them produce more of the same file. But sometimes you're ganging multiple jobs together, so you'll have multiple artboards in here with the pieces of the different jobs. But now it's exported, so it's ready to purchase. So then you'll come over here, and we're going to make sure you're in DTF and not UV DTF. We're going to find the one that matches our size. Then we can just drag this file in there. We're going to add it to cart. You're going to check out. And then from here, you just fill out the credit card information and if we are having them ship it to us or if we're picking it up. I believe they free ship over 100, so anything under that we want to pick up just because they're nearby. Thank you.